How to fix Safari browser not opening on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your Safari browser not opening on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first open up your settings application. Once you're in your settings, you'll get this kind of interface. Scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. From here, you need to scroll down again and then you'll find a Safari application. You need to tap on Safari. Once you do that, you need to scroll down again and then you'll find an option of clear chat history, clear history and website data. Tap on it and then clear all of your history. Tap on clear history, which will be on the bottom. It will remove all of the junk files and everything, get restored, and it will refresh. And your problem might be fixed. Now again, go back to the same interface. Once you've done, you need to again open up your Safari, then scroll all the way down and then tap on Advanced. Under Advanced, tap on Website Data. And here on the bottom, you will have Remove All Website Data. You can just simply go and remove your website data. Once done, you need to go back to your settings homepage. Now once you're here, you need to just simply scroll down a bit and then go with General and go with Software Update and update your phone. After updating, restart it and your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.